What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and bell icon. Today I will telling about coins are more than just monetary instrument. They are also cultural and historical artifacts that reflect the values, sovereignty, and transformation of a nation. In Poland, the gross coin, while modest in monetary value, carry considerable historical significance. The version minted in 2009 under the inscription, Rzeczpospolita Polska, Republic of Poland, represent a continuation of national heritage and economic reform post-communism. This script provides a comprehensive historical overview of the gross coin minted in 2009, covering its origins, evolution, physical design, economic context, symbolism, minting practice, and its legacy. Historical background of the gross. The word gross derives from the Latin grossus, meaning thick or large. The gross has deep roots in Polish monetary history dating back to the 14th century. Initially, the gross was introduced as a silver coin during the reign of King Casimir the Great in 1367. It circulated as a valuable currency used in large transactions and gained prominence in medieval trade across Central Europe. Throughout century, the gross underwent multiple transformations, aligning with Poland's tumultuous political and economic journey. The currency changed as Poland was partitioned in the 18th century and a foreign empire, Austrian, Prussian, and Russian, imposed their own currencies during their occupation. After Poland regained independence in 1918, the gross was reintroduced as a subdivision of the Polish zloty. The gross in the 20th century following World War I, the Second Polish Republic established the zloty in 1924 to stabilize the economy. The gross was fixed at 1/100 of a zloty and became a standard minor coin. However, World War II and its aftermath disrupted the economy, and subsequent hyperinflation and political change under the communist regime affected the monetary system. After the fall of communism in 1989, Poland underwent extensive economic reforms. In 1995, the zloty was redenominated 10,000 old zloty égale a new zloty, which also brought in a new series of coins including the rise d'un gross coin. Newly designed gross was part of a broader currency stabilization effort that marked Poland's transition to a market economy. And reintroduction and evolution of the modern gross coin. The modern gross coin was introduced in 1995 as part of the Third Republic of Poland's restructured monetary system. 1995 to 2014, the coin's physical characteristics remained relatively consistent, though minting technology and material composition evolved. By 2009, the gross had been in circulation for 14 years in its modern form. It continued to serve as the smallest denomination in Polish coinage, often used in rounding cash transactions and pricing small value goods. While its purchasing power was low, its continued minting signaled the government's commitment to maintaining exact denomination for accounting and retail purposes. Economic context of 2009. The year 2009 was a critical time globally due to the lingering effects of the 2008 financial crisis. However, Poland stood out in Europe by avoiding a recession during this period. The country demonstrated remarkable resilience, with stable GDP growth and a strong internal market. Despite Poland's solid macroeconomic indicator, inflationary pressure led to debate on whether the gross coin should still be minted, given its diminishing practical value. The National Bank of Poland (NBP) décide to maintain the denomination in 2009 to ensure exact pricing and avoid inflationary rounding that could cumulatively impact consumers. Design and symbolism of the gross coin. The gross coin is notable for its simplicity, elegance, and national symbolism. The 2009 issue retains a design consistent with earlier years but produced with modern minting technique. First design front. The coin's obverse features the national emblem of Poland, the crowned white eagle or zelbiali, a historic symbol of Polish sovereignty. The eagle is the inscription, Rzeczpospolita Polska, and the year of issue, 2009. The eagle design emphasizes Poland's independence and constitutional heritage. First design back the reverse showcases the numeral, prominently, accompanied by the word gross. The coin also includes an oak leaf motif, a traditional symbol of strength and endurance in Polish culture. Oak leaf has a long-standing presence in Polish iconography and signifies resilience and historical continuity. Physical specification. The technical characteristics of the gross coin minted in 2009 were defined by the National Bank of Poland for durability and cost efficiency. Metal composition. Alloy of brass-plated steel, initially aluminum until 1996 diameter. 15,5 mm thickness. 1,45 mm weight, 1,64 g edge, smooth disk composition en surette de C.
The Polish de Gross coin minted in 2015 is a small but notable part of the modern currency system of the Republic of Poland, Rzeczpospolita Polska. While its face value is modest, equivalent to 0 zloty polonais et 2 groszy Polish zloty, its numismatic value can vary based on factors such as condition, rarity, mint quality, and collector demand. This article explores the monetary and collectible value of the 2015 de Gross coin, its historical context, market relevance, and what collectors and investors should consider when evaluating its worth. Background and historical context. The gross is a subdivision of the Polish zloty, with some groszy equaling 1 zloty. After the fall of communism in 1989 and the major monetary reform in 1995, Poland introduced a new series of coins that included denominations such as 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 50 groszy, as well as 1, 2, and 5 zloty. These coins were designed to reflect Poland's new democratic identity and monetary stability. The de Gross coin has remained consistent in design since its post-995 introduction. The same series and continue to circulate in the country. While not rare in the traditional sense, certain production years, mintage volume, and minting quality can influence collector interest and secondary market pricing. Coin specification. Before analyzing the coin's value, it is important to understand its physical and aesthetic features. Denomination. De Gross issue in country. Poland, Rzeczpospolita Polska, year of issue. 2015 composition. Brass CUZN, copper 94%, zinc 6%, weight. Approximately 2.3 grams diameter. 17,5 mm thickness. Abou 1,35 mm edge, plain obverse. The Polish national emblem, white eagle without crown, with the inscription, Rzeczpospolita Polska, and the year, 2015, reverse. Denomination, de GROSZE, with an oak leaf design. The coin was minted by the Menica Polska, Polish mint, one of the most advanced mints in Central Europe. Mintage and circulation. The mintage numbers for the de Gross coin in 2015 were part of Poland's routine annual production. According to official data, total mintage 2015 tens of millions, exact figure vary annually but often exceed 40 à 60 millions for small denomination. Because of such high mintage volume, the 2015 de Gross coin is considered common in circulation. Condition plays a pivotal role in determining its value in the collector's market. Face value versus numismatic value. Face value 0 zloty polonais et 2 groszy approx. 0. 005 USD or 0. 005 EU Air spending power. Virtually negligible, typically used in bulk transaction or change. From a purely transactional perspective, the de Gross coin holds minimal purchasing power. However, collectors don't just look at a coin's face value, they assess its historical context, condition, mint errors, and rarity to assign a numismatic value. Market value. Based on conditions. Like most coins, the 2015 de Gross vary in value depending on its grade, ranging from heavily circulated to uncirculated or proof condition. Condition. Estimated market value. Heavily circulated VGF 0,02 à 0,05 PLN fin FVF 0,05 à 0,10 PLN extremely fin XF 0,10 à 0,30 PLN abou uncirculated O 0,30 à 0,50 PLN mint state MS-60 to MS65 0,50 à 2,00 PLN proof if available 3,00 à 10,00 PLN collector set only not. These are approximate values based on typical online auction listings and coin daily prices in Poland and Europe. Factors influencing value. Several factors can influence the market value of the 2015 de Gross coin. Condition, grade, coin with minimal wear, strong luster, and sharp detail are more desirable. Uncirculated coin in original mint rolls or proof specimens have the highest value. Mint errors. Coin with minting errors, such as center strikes, die cracks, planche flaws, or double streaking, are rare and can significantly raise the coin's value. Error coin can sell for the zlotys polonais or more, depending on the uniqueness and severity of the error. Collector demand. While the de Gross coin is not rare, demand from said collectors or foreign collectors building complete Polish currency collection can create niche market. Availability in bulk. Because many coins are sold in bulk low, individual value is often diminished unless sold as part of a professionally curated or graded collection. Online and auction trends on platforms like Allegro.pl, eBay, and Numista. The 2015 de Gross coin can be found in the following category. Bulk listings. Often sold in low of 50 à 500 coins for face value or slightly above. Individual sale mint state, typically priced between -2 zlotys polonais per coin. The 5 groszy coin, minted in 2010 by the Republic of Poland, Rzeczpospolita Polska, represent far more than its face value. As a small yet essential unit of the Polish zloty, it embodies Poland's historical journey through political transformation, economic reform, and cultural resilience. In this exploration, we delve into the story behind the 2010 issue of the 5 groszy coin, from its origins and design to its place in modern Polish society and monetary history. Understanding the gross and its role in Polish currency. The gross plural, Grozy or Gross has a deep-rooted history in Poland's numismatic legacy. It traces its name to the Latin word grossus, meaning thick, or large, a référence to the original thick silver coin of medieval Europe. In Poland, the gross was first introduced in the 14th century under King Casimir III the Great and has since become a mainstay of Polish coinage, although its metal content, value, and design have varied widely across centuries. In the modern monetary system of Poland, the gross is a subdivision of the zloty PLN, the national currency. One zloty is divided into 5 groszy, making the 5 groszy coin a low denomination piece be one that plays a vital role in everyday transactions. Polish Mint and the 2010 coinage de 2010 5 groszy coin was produced by the Menika Polska, Polish Mint, a prestigious institution established in 1766. Located in Warsaw, the Polish Mint is responsible for producing circulating coins, commemorative issues, medals, and official government orders and decorations. Its role in minting the 5 groszy coin continue a century-old tradition of craftsmanship and national service. In 2010, Poland was undergoing continued growth and stabilization following its accession to the European Union in 2004. Coinage of that year reflected both economic confidence and a practical need to maintain a functioning low denomination currency for daily use. Design features of the 5 groszy coin 2010. The 5 groszy coin from 2010 carry several distinctive design elements that make it both utilitarian and culturally meaningful. The obverse front of the coin features the official emblem of the Republic of Poland, a crowned white eagle with outstretched wings. Symbol as appeared on Polish coin for century and represent national pride, sovereignty, and continuity. The eagle is detailed with a crown, wings adorned with feathers, and talons that convey strength and vigilance. Surrounding the eagle is the inscription, Rzeczpospolita Polska. This translates to, Republic of Poland, affirming the coin's issuing authority. Below the eagle is the year of mintage, 2010, which marks its placement in modern Polish monetary history. First back of the coin present a minimalist and modern depiction of the coin's value. 5 GROSZY, centered prominently. Surrounding the numeral is a stylized oak leaf motif, symbolizing endurance, national strength, and tradition. Three holds significant cultural symbolism in Poland, and its use on the coin connect the past to the present. Edge and composition. Edge, plain, smooth, without inscription or reading. The 5 groszy coin is minted in brass-plated steel, giving it a golden hue. This change to more cost-effective materials was part of a broader economic strategy by the Polish National Bank (NBP) to reduce minting cost. 19,5 mm weight, 2.59 grams thickness, 1,5 mm. This combination of material and size makes it durable, lightweight, and easily recognizable by touch and appearance. Political context. Poland in 2010. The year 2010 was significant in Poland's modern political history. It was marked by the tragic Smolensk air disaster, which claimed the lives of President Lech Kaczynski and many top military and political leaders. It deeply affected the national psyche and led to a period of mourning and introspection. While the 5 groszy coin does not directly reference this tragedy, its release during this pivotal year placed it within a broader socio-political backdrop. Minting of coin like the 5 groszy symbolized stability in domestic economic operations, allowing consumers and businesses to transact smoothly. And everyday usage though small in value, the 5 groszy coin remains essential in everyday Polish life. It is commonly used in retail settings for giving change and pricing items with precision. Reasons, it is a coin they carry every day, used for vending machines, parking meters, public transportation tickets, or charitable donations. Every pressure, the gross coin, including the 5 groszy, retain their presence in circula. The 10 groszy coin minted in 1999 is more than just a small piece of Polish currency. It is a symbol of a pivotal time in Poland's modern economic and political history. Emerging in the post-communist transformation era, the coin reflects the broader economic reforms, national identity, and aspiration of Poland in the late 20th century. This comprehensive analysis delves into the historical background, design, production, and enduring significance of the 1999 10 groszy coin within the broader context of Poland's numismatic and economic development. Historical context of Poland in the late 20th century. The fall of communism and economic transformation following decade under a socialist command economy. Poland began transitioning to a market economy after the fall of communism in 1989. The earlier 990s saw the implementation of sweeping economic reforms under the Balcerowicz Plan, which aimed to stabilize and liberalize the economy. As Poland opened itself to the global market, monetary policy reform and currency stabilization became essential components of national development. 1.2 Currency stabilization and the zloty. Before 1995, Poland suffered from chronic inflation and fluctuating currency value. In response, the government restructured the currency system by introducing the new zloty (PLN) on January 1, 1995. This reform involved redenominating the old zloty (PLZ) at a rate of 10 000 sur 1, creating a more manageable and stable currency system. The introduction of new coin and banknote accompanied this monetary reform. Rzeczpospolita Polska and national identity. The term, Rzeczpospolita Polska, or Republic of Poland, featured on the coin, is deeply rooted in the country's historical and political identity. It refers to the democratic republic restored in 1989, replacing the former Polish People's Republic. Coin minted after this transformation aim to reflect national heritage, resilience, and the rebirth of sovereign democratic governance. Point. Introduction of the modern disgrozy coin role in the monetary system. The grozy is the subdivision of the zloty, with some grozy making one zloty. The disgrozy coin plays a vital role in daily cash transaction and pricing. It occupies a central position among Poland's fractional coin denomination, between the 5 grozy and 20 grozy coin. Minting coin like the disgrozy was critical in ensuring practical cash flow in everyday commerce. Reintroduction and minting in the 990s. The new series of coin, including the disgrozy, was introduced following the 1995 redenomination. However, the disgrozy coin was already present in circulation since 1990, but with periodic design updates and material change. Polish coinage has undergone numerous changes over the century, shaped by its complex history and evolving economy. One notable coin among the modern issue is the 20 grozy coin from the year 2002, part of the broader decimal currency system of the Polish zloty, PLN. Issued under the authority of the National Bank of Poland, Narodowy Bank Polski, this coin holds interest not only for its face value and utility but also for its numismatic and collectible appeal. This script explores the value of the 2002 20 grozy coin, its face value, collector interest, condition-based worth, mintage figure, demand, and market presence, all while grounding its significance in the coinage system of Poland in the early 2000s. General overview of the 20 grozy coin. The 20 grozy coin belongs to the subdivision of the Polish zloty. 1 zloty equals 100 grozy. The current design of the coin was introduced after the currency redenomination in 1995, when 10,000 old zloty (PLZ) became a new zloty (PLN). The details of the 2002 20 grozy coin. Country: Poland, Rzeczpospolita Polska, denomination. 20 grozy year. 2002 metal. Cuni, copper nickel alloy diameter. 18,5 mm weight. 3.22 grams edge. Reeded obverse. Polish eagle with the inscription, Rzeczpospolita Polska, and the year, 2002, reverse. The denomination, 20 GROSZY, within a laurel wreath face value versus market value face value. As of today, the 20 grozy coin is still legal tender in Poland and maintains a face value of 0 zloty polonais et 20 grozy. Conversion approximate, 0 zloty polonais et 20 grozy égale 0 $ américain et 5 cents or 0 € et 5 centimes depending on current exchange rate. However, numismatic value is not solely determined by face value. Collectors assess coin based on rarity, demand, historical context, and physical condition. Mintage and availability. The mintage figure plays a critical role in assessing value. Mintage of the 2002 20 grozy coin. Estimated at 55,470,000 pieces, making it a highly circulated and common coin. Because of this relatively high mintage, the coin is considered common in circulation and does not typically command a high premium in the collector market unless it is in exceptional condition or has mint errors. Condition and grading a coin's grade significantly affect its resale value. The most widely used grading scale in numismatics